Let's talk about perpendicular bisector now. If a line is bisecting the other line into half, whenever I say bisect, it means that the line is going to cut the other line into equal half. So let's say A, B, C and D are the coordinates. AB, there is a line AB and there is a line CD, and this line AB or this line CD is perpendicular to the line AB, and it's making a 90-degree angle because we say perpendicular, so it should be 90-degree. And when we say bisector, it means that this line CD is breaking down this line AB into equal half. For example, if this is 4, then it should be 4 also, because it is equally divided. Now we have to see how do we actually find out the equation for the perpendicular bisector. Let's take a question. Alright, let's draw a diagram first. We've been given with the AB. We have to look for a line which is bisecting this line AB, and this should be the midpoint. So first we will try to find the midpoint of the line AB, because we need this point. It could be x comma y, or it could be anything. The strategy is to find the midpoint first. First you have to find the midpoint of the line, then you have to find the gradient, perpendicular gradient. Alright, so first finding the midpoint of AB. The midpoint of AB, we call it C over here, so C x comma y will be equals to 1 plus 5 upon 2 comma 2 plus minus 1 upon 2, and it will give us 3 comma 1 upon 2. Now we have to find the gradient of this line first, of the line AB, and then we can convert the gradient of line AB into CD by perpendicular condition, and we know that m1 into m2 equals to minus 1. If I know the gradient of this line, so I can find the gradient of this line by using this one. Alright, so the gradient of line AB will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, so it will be 2 minus minus 1 upon 1 minus 5 is equals to minus 3 upon 4. This is the gradient for the line AB, but we don't need it. What we are looking for, we want to find the gradient of this line CD. Good thing is that we know that if a line is perpendicular to the other line, so we can use this formula. This will become minus 1 upon MAB. So minus 1 upon minus 3 upon 4 will be equals to 4 upon 3. Now we have found the gradient of the line CD, and the points of this intersection is 3, 1 comma 2. Now we'll just apply our general equation, that is y minus y1 is equals to m into x minus x1. So y minus 1 upon 2 is equals to 4 upon 3 into x minus x1 is 3. Alright, so upon solving we get 6y is equals to 8x minus 21. So this is the required equation of perpendicular bisector. Now to further solidify our concept, we will have a look at some past paper questions.